my target swing.
Everybody got 45.
Yeah, even I went to a 45. Can you stop my swinging?
No, that's your handicap.
Yeah, we need a
My handicap's that.
No, you gotta shoot behind your back.
My handicap's that today, trust me.
Okay, you gotta shoot under your arm now. With my leg.
Over your shoulder with a mirror.
I'd say between the legs, but.
Yeah, y'all do bad if I wasn't in.
No, wouldn't that applaud? Ready? Shoot us to the line.
This is our Sunday night shoot at High Noon Indoor Gun Range here in Crosby, Texas. 10 rounds at different distances every Sunday night. All 45 used right now.